She's crooked, she's compressed, she sits way too long, all day long. And she's basically, she's squashed. We gotta unsquash her, okay? And we start here. Sacrum is the keystone of your spine. Hip bones lock in, tailbone at the bottom. Where you sit all day. The more you sit, the more compressed and tight this becomes. No good. That's why you gotta stand up every half hour or so. Wow. Excellent. All the way through. Wow. All the way out. Wow. Drop those hands. All of that. See? Wow. Drop that head into my hand here. So you sit here. Oh, before I even...
Oh my gosh, I felt that in my hand too.
Good. Then, pull it all the way out. See? Wow. There you go. Wow. How do you feel?
It was good.
That was good, right?
Yeah. I
Let's,
feel better.
go ahead. You feel better?
Yeah.
Do you feel
No.
like you said you were before?
I feel like I'm standing straight.
Okay, good. She's standing straighter. She's more upright, elongated. Pressure, tension, and stress is off of her spine and nervous system right now. It's going to come back because she's going to go back to all her bad habits.
I'm gonna try.
But that's what adjustments do. Take pressure, tension, and stress off your spine and nervous system. So you move better, feel better, and live better. Never be afraid to get adjusted, okay? And thanks, Mom, for sending her in. Boom. That was good.